Let's make this chunky yarn wreath. It's a perfect project for crochet beginners. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need, of course, is a styrofoam wreath, a chunky hook, and some chunky yarn. I use Bernat Blanket Big. All of that information is below, so you know exactly what to get. To start, we're going to attach our jumbo yarn to our styrofoam wreath. You can do this with a knot or just secure it like that. It's not going to go anywhere as you work up. Then we're going to place our jumbo crochet hook up against the wreath, pull it from underneath and around onto the hook. And then you're going to grab the jumbo yarn from underneath the wreath and bring it around the hook again. And you're going to pull through that loop. So for the first one, it's just one loop to pull through, and you'll see for all the other ones, it's two, but you're doing the exact same motion of crocheting with this wreath. So pull it up from underneath, over the hook, pull it up from behind and over the hook, and then pull through all the loops on the chain, which will be two. And you're going to continue that exact motion for the entire wreath. We'll do that again. So let's pull up from underneath the wreath and onto the hook. And then we're going to pull up from behind the wreath and onto the hook, and then pull through two loops. You're going to keep doing that over and over again until it is completely full onto the wreath. And this is such a great project for beginner crocheters because I always say using jumbo everything when you're starting out is a great way to learn how to see the stitches, how to hold your hook, and how to just do the motion of crocheting when things are a little bit bigger. So as you work up, you are going to make sure that you squish all of your yarn together so that you make sure that you cover this completely. So once you've done that, you're going to fasten off that end, and you're going to find that end that you started with, because you're going to use that and make a knot, and you're going to hide that together. So there's your other end. Now we are going to tie this together and really just weave in these ends to hide them. This is a great project for Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day. You can make all these themed chunky wreaths in different colors. I have one that is Halloween themed on my channel if you want to check it out. But here is me just weaving in these ends, and you have a complete, beautiful jumbo yarn chunky wreath. It's so soft and squishy. I use mine every single year. I've used it for like 5 years. I ended up adding a burlap bow to this. You can add whatever you like, flowers, decorations. You can definitely get creative with this. Don't forget, all of my patterns are free, over 80 of them, othcrochetnook.ca. Subscribe and like for more yarn crafts, DIYs, and crochet tutorials.